understand the pain I feel. You don't know how much I hate to be me. No, you don't.
Yeah, I feel happy and sad, I feel like a contradiction. She hurt me after she promised me that this time was different. So now my guard's up, I lost my trust, hoping I could fix it. Should've trusted my gut, was hurt by love, so that's why I'm defensive. You said you loved me to hurt me, something ain't adding up. I cried burying the future that I had planned for us. I'm trying to outrun my past, I guess I'm not fast enough. It's crazy how these people we meet can just damage us. But fuck it, I'll just move along and wipe away my tears. I always held my own, I've been alone for all these years. My biggest fear is wasting time on somebody who does me wrong, who didn't love me, who was fronting and using me like a pawn. Sometimes I feel unlovable, my heart's undiscoverable. Hate living in misery, my misery's insufferable. Hurt by the ones we love the most, the toughest pill to swallow. My heart used to be full, but now it's hollow. So no,
you don't understand the way I feel. You don't understand how much I hate to be me.
cause I break down and crumble, feel so alone. And my life's a struggle, nobody knows. So
you don't understand how much I hate to be me.